Hey Hub Heroes, this is Jorge Fuentes from the Sidekick Strategies team, and today we're going to take a look at how to get your own HubSpot phone number, which is probably already included in your HubSpot plan if you have any paid subscription to either Sales Hub or Service Hub. Check it out. So we're going to log into HubSpot, and on the top right hand corner, we're going to go into this gear icon right here. And then on the left hand side, we're going to go all the way down to the tools section and go to calling. And then once we click on calling, we're going to click on call setup. And over here, we're going to have a tab called phone numbers, and then over like right about in the middle, phone numbers. Then on the right hand side, we'll see that we can get a HubSpot number. So we're going to get a HubSpot number right now. We're going to say next right here. And then yes, my country is going to be the US. And as per the area code, I'm going to look for maybe North Carolina. I'm going to go for the 336 prefix or area code here. And then I'm going to generate a number. And that's it. So now I have this number created in HubSpot, and I'm actually going to say get this number, and that's it. It has now been created. So now if I continue to set up, you'll notice that I can actually put a phone number to it. I'm going to say demo phone number for now. I'm going to the recording consent language is going to be English. The recording consent voice is going to be this one, Matthew Newroll. And then as far as the assignment goes, I'm actually going to assign it to myself in this case. So for me, and then that's it. I'm going to choose an audio message, which is just going to be the default. Same with the outside of calling, of call working hours. And then I'm going to set it like that. And then I'm going to save it. And that's pretty much it. So now I actually have a phone number in HubSpot that I can use in order to do inbound or outbound calls. And that's pretty much it. Now you can leverage your own HubSpot phone number in order to start making outbound calls or receiving inbound calls within HubSpot or via the HubSpot mobile app. Remember, education is great, but the execution is where it's at. So go out there and be the Hub Hero that your organization needs today.